Hello, Jason here, and in today's video I'm going to show you 4 amazing tips if you're buying a house with a septic tank. Now these 4 tips really will save you thousands and thousands of pounds. So tip number 1, the first thing you need to get your solicitor to ask the people whose house you're buying is this: you need to see the MOT for their septic tank, right? Now, basically, every house that was had a septic tank installed before 2015, 99% of them will not have an MOT certificate. All right, so there'll be 2 outcomes. You'll either get a yes or a no. If you get a yes, then all well and good, because that MOT comes from the government and it says that the sewage system installed is legal and everything's fine. Right, so all well and good, right? You don't have to worry. But if they make lots of excuses and show you septic tank emptying receipts and do anything but show you that MOT certificate, then you need to go to step 2. Basically, if they haven't got an MOT certificate, then it means that the septic tank and soakaway, their sewage system, is not legal. So now you've got 2 options, right? You can get them to reduce their house price by the price of what it's going to cost to put a new system in. Typically, that will be anywhere in the region of, say, 10 to 15,000 pounds. Now, they probably won't like that suggestion, right? Who would? But nevertheless, you know, if their septic tank doesn't have an MOT certificate and it's not legal, then further down the line, it's going to cost you 10 or 15,000 quid, because, you know, you'll get a visit from government inspection, council, building control officer, and they'll make you spend that money yourself to bring your septic tank system up to scratch. So that's option number 2. If they don't want to reduce their house price, then this is a second option. You can get them to install a new system themselves. Maybe they can get it a bit cheaper than 10 or 15,000 quid. And if they do, all well and good, but it still leads back to here, right? Once they've done that, they should then be able to show you an MOT, that MOT certificate, which will make your system legal. So if you're in doubt, right, and you're not really getting anywhere, or, you know, there's pressure because, you know, you want to get your contract signed and exchanged, then get someone in, a company in, a firm in, to do a site inspection. They will go to site and they will tell you, yep, the system's got an MOT certificate, everything's fine, it's all above board, it's all legal, the system's looking good. Or they'll come back and say, no MOT certificate, it's in a bad state of, it's in a bad condition, it's tired, it's worn, and they might even say, look, you know, we'll put a new system in for you, we'll charge you 10 or 15 grand, we'll put a new system in, we'll give you that MOT certificate, but obviously, you know, you may want to go halves on that, or comes back to here, getting the people who's selling their house to reduce the house price. So listen, I hope those 4 tips have helped. They help a lot of people. It's a very common scenario, this, at the moment, since all the rules and regulations changed on the 1st of January 2020. But look, if you'd like more free help and advice, then visit my main website, which is septictank.co.uk, or go onto YouTube or Google and type in Septic Tank TV, and you'll see lots of more free tips, free help, free advice in loads of videos I've done. So listen, you stay safe, you take care, and I'll see you soon. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.